Hello and welcome to the S2000 build. I've owned this car about a year and a half now, and unfortunately the first probably almost a year of it I didn't actually pick up the camera. I bought this car as a track car and just got far too giddy building it that I didn't really think of documenting it properly. But one thing I did do was take a lot of photos along the way, so this is kind of an introduction to this project, so just bear with it a little bit because it is pretty much just a slideshow. There's a lot more video content on this car, and the modifications that happen to it are quite severe. It's a bit of a labour of love that I got a little bit addicted to and a bit carried away with, so there's going to be a lot more videos on this car, so just stick with it. And this is an introduction. This just shows you basically the first sort of what I had planned to do to it to get it on track, and then like I say, things got a bit out of hand and then I started picking up the camera, so a lot of money got spent. Pretty much every modification that goes on the car gets taken back off again and improved on, or just basically tweaked and twisted a little bit. It ends up being a turbocharged car. Like I say, just keep watching, and then please do hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Like I say, there was tons more to see with this car, absolutely tons. There's over a year and a half worth of work gone into it so far, and it's not nowhere near finished yet, so plenty more to see.